If Netflix is not working on your Roku, follow these fixes in order. Check Netflix server status first. If Netflix is down, nothing on your Roku needs to be changed. Highlight Netflix, press the star button, then choose Close App before opening Netflix again. Restart Roku from system settings instead of unplugging it. This clears temporary streaming and memory issues. Older Roku software can stop Netflix from launching. Check for updates before trying any other advanced fix. Open Netflix options using the star button, then select Check for updates if that option is available. Remove Netflix, restart Roku, then install Netflix again to replace corrupted application files. Open network settings and run check connection. Netflix needs a stable internet connection, not just a Wi-Fi connection. If you're using a VPN or Smart DNS, disable it temporarily because Netflix may block streaming through those services. Older Roku devices can slow down when storage is full. Remove unused streaming channels before testing Netflix again. Reset your network settings, reconnect to Wi-Fi, then launch Netflix before changing any other Roku settings. Factory reset Roku only after every other fix fails because this removes your settings and installed streaming apps. Open Netflix again and play any title. If it loads normally, your Roku Netflix problem has been successfully fixed.